my YouTube family, welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. Today's recipe is Ramadan special recipe. Today I am making vegetable nuggets. So to make vegetable nuggets we need 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup chopped capsicum, 1 cup chopped carrot, half cup flour, 6 to 7 tablespoons corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon coriander, 1.5 tablespoon green chili, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon oregano, 3 slices of cheese, and 5 to 6 fully mashed potatoes. So let's get started. Carrots, capsicum, onion, now we add spices, red chili powder, half tablespoon salt, oregano, black pepper, chopped green chilies and coriander. Now mix it well. Three slices of cheese. Now mix it well. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to make potato dough. So in the mashed potatoes, first we add flour. Now we add corn flour, half tablespoon salt, black pepper, red chili powder. Now make a dough. So the dough is ready. It's time to make nuggets. So first make 2 balls of this dough. Now press both balls like this. So now we are going to make the shape of nuggets. So nuggets are ready. Now it's time to fry nuggets. So first heat up the oil. And now fry nuggets on medium-low flame for 5 to 6 minutes.